Hi, this is DITCHBURN Trucks, Isuzu Merseyside. Nice start to a week. Monday morning, nice weather. Hope everyone's got the same across the country. Just about to do a handover on a new Isuzu N35.125TLD 4.5 metre drive-away drop side. This is the Euro 6 with no AdBlue. The lightweight chassis. Got towbar electrics on it. Got the nice bulkhead on there, reinforced bulkhead. This vehicle comes with 3 years unlimited mileage warranty, 3 years roadside assistance, and it's got a 7-ton train weight, so the reason the gentleman's got a towbar on the back, you can tow 3.5 tonne behind it, as well as having over 1.2 tonnes on the back of it as well. For further details, with a great finance quote, contract hire rates, please get in touch and we'll do our very best to quote you happy. Thanks for watching.